Hey guys, Alex here. So this is a very interesting product. Have you ever had a bottle of wine and let's say for example, oh, geez Louise. Let's say for example, you had a bottle of wine, you're like, I would really love to store this bottle of wine. I can't drink it all tonight, right? And I want to drink it tomorrow. Guess what? There's actually a product out there that replaces this thing right here. It's actually called an airtight grip wine condom. So it's a really simple product, right? You can't get any simpler than that, right? It's a condom. It's basically a sort of a faddish item. It is reasonably faddish, right? It's more of a gimmicky gift sort of thing, right? But it's doing really well on Amazon. It can't get any more simple than that, right? It's lightweight, it's small, it ain't gonna take up much room in the Amazon FBA warehouse, right? It's doing good turnover, and there are people out there who've got less than 100 reviews, and it's such a simple product. And what else can you jump on, right? You could jump on, if you have the wine condom, guess what? You can jump on another product, right, which is the electric wine opener, right? You could have your whole brand of kitchen apparatus or your own brand of wine apparatus, right? You can have stoppers, you can have the condoms, you can have, basically you can really bring in a lot of different apparatus. So actually one thing that was selling really well on Amazon was it's a cocktail making set, and this was doing incredible numbers. And this is going back about 6 months ago. I remember looking at this and it was doing incredible numbers on Amazon. And again, basic product, doing really well. So guys, remember, simple, lightweight, small, turnover, 100 reviews. Give us a call in the office if you have any questions, or visit one of our online trainings that we run for free, complimentary, if you want to find other products and learn the process to finding products. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.
The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?